Critter Trades here, and today we're going to talk about tires for all-wheel drive vehicles and whether you need to replace all four at the same time or not. So the simple answer is no, you don't have to replace all four tires at once, but there are a lot of situations where you will need to do that. And the main reason why people say you need to replace all four at once is because you want all four of your tires for an all-wheel drive vehicle to be roughly the same size. So the main reason why you need to have the same size tires for an all-wheel drive car is because most of the time when you're going straight, if the tires are the same size, then your rear differential and your front differential and your transmission, they will be working normally. They won't have any extra wear or anything on them because your car is going straight. Your differentials are there because when you turn, one wheel has to travel a further distance than the other wheel, just the way physics work with two wheels going around a turn. So when your differential works to make sure that each wheel is moving at a different speed, it does cause a little bit of wear on the differential. That's what the differential is made to do. It's for changing speeds on the different sides of your car. That's why it differentiates speed and the duration and the rotations on each side of your vehicle. And it's made to do this when you turn around corners and things like that. The problem is if you have two mismatched tires on different sides, so one tire is taller than the other tire, your differential is going to be working all the time, even when your car is going straight. And the problem with that is that it adds a lot of extra wear on the drive line. And so it's a lot easier to have differential issues and transmission problems if your car is constantly having to compensate for a tire that's rotating at a different speed than the other. And that's where the problem lies. Now, the reason I said you don't always have to switch out all four tires is for a couple reasons. One, if you have pretty new tires and you blow a tire or get a nail in it and you need to replace one tire, as long as the tread depth is close enough to the other tires, you can just replace one tire. So if you have pretty new tires and you blow one tire, you can most of the time just replace it. You do need to check with each manufacturer. Most manufacturers have a range of difference between the tires and what is okay to run. As long as your new tire is within that range, you can just replace one. Most manufacturers recommend that your tire be within 3/32 of an inch of each other, so as long as it's within that, you're totally fine. And the real problem happens when your tires are worn down quite a bit and they're not very new. When you put a new tire on there, it's not going to be within that threshold and it's going to be way too tall, and your drive line is going to start having a lot more extra wear if you put that tire on. So some options you have. If you do have older tires, it might be worth it just to replace all four anyways if you are kind of due for tires soon. Another option is some dedicated tire shops can shave a tire down. So you buy a brand new tire, and let's say it's at 8/32 of an inch and you need it to be at 5/32. They'll spin the tire around and shave the tread down to match the tread of the other tires. So you can save quite a bit of money. You are shaving off a lot of rubber off a new tire, which is kind of a bad thing, but it's a lot cheaper than buying four new tires. So typically, if you go to like a dealer or something, or not a tire shop, they typically won't do that for you, and they'll just recommend replacing all four. A lot of the times people will get two new tires for the back and put their old tires on the front. Same thing with all-wheel drive. You can't just do that. They do need to be within that 3/32 of an inch or whatever your manufacturer recommends. If it's a front-wheel drive car or a rear-wheel drive car, as long as the two same side tires are matching, so the two front tires are matching and the two rears are matching, it is fine to just replace two, but not with all-wheel drive. If you have any other questions or comments, let me know in the comments below.